Guys, in this video I'm gonna review a new tablet which I purchased recently. The tablet is Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2016. So let's start it. So here you can see that it is written that it is a 1.3 GHz quad core processor. It have a RAM of 1.5 GB and its front camera is of 12 megapixel and back camera is of 5 megapixel. It got full HD display video and its battery is of 4000 mAh. It's pretty good. You can see the model is SMT280. So yeah, here you can see that its screen size is 7 inches and its internal memory is of 8 GB and it have Wi-Fi. So let's unbox this. Okay, so you can see that here is the tablet. This is our tablet. This is the user manual guide for the tab. This is the USB data cable for charging and for transferring files by connecting with PC. This is the travel adapter charger. Okay, so let's see the tab. So here is the tab. So guys, here is our tab. You can see that it is a plastic body. Yeah, here is the power button, the volume gauge, here is the microphone, here is the micro SD slot, here is 3.5mm jack headphones, and this is the for charging board. This is the front camera and this is the back camera and the speaker. So yeah, it looks pretty nice and its weight is not too much, I guess. So let's start it. I was using this tablet, so that's why you can see that on the screen. Its Android version is 5.1, which is Lollipop. Samsung. So you can see that it is powered on. So let's check it. So here is our official Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2016. You can see that here it is. Here the apps, the pre-installed apps come from the official company. Let's go to the settings. Here you can see about device, software info. Yeah, here you can see the 5.1.1 is its Android version. Okay, Lollipop. And for the camera, you can see that. Okay, camera is pretty good, but not too much, I guess. This RAM is 1.5 GB. I already told you. Okay, so this was our review of Samsung Galaxy Tab A6 2016. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks. Bye bye.